Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a double bag reveal slash collective haul. I've been doing a little bit of shopping and bought some things before Christmas and also after Christmas, some in the sales. So I have a few bits and pieces to show you, so I thought I would do a little collective haul video. So I hope you guys enjoy this and let's get started. So first up are a pair of shoes. If you watched my wishlist video from about a month or so ago, you're probably gonna know what these are. I did feature these in that video. I already own these in a different color and I love them so much I decided to get them in the black. So as you can see, they're from Louboutin. And they come with the red dust bag as well as some care card guides as well. I got these from Selfridges. I could have got them direct from the Louboutin website, but I tend to prefer to shop from department stores or kind of dedicated online stores just because the return policy is always a little bit better if something was to go wrong. But as you can see, these are the eraser pumps. So from the side, they just look like a classic pair of black pumps, but then on the other side, they have a cutout detail. These are the 100mm heel ones. They are quite high and the heel is quite thin, but it's actually a very well balanced shoe, so it doesn't feel unstable. Your foot feels fairly well supported considering there's not that much to the shoe. And I just absolutely love these. They are by far the most comfortable Louboutins I own. I can last several hours in these without any issue at all, and I just love them. I think the shape is incredibly elegant. I love the way they look on the foot. I love the cutout detail. And I just think these are the most classic pair of pumps. I particularly wanted them in the patent leather because it is so carefree. I do have other black pumps in suede and they're great and very comfortable, but you can't beat patent leather in my opinion for just a very carefree, wipeable shoe. So I love the fact that I was able to get these in the black. As I mentioned, I have the nude ones and I love them so much. I wear them all the time. So hopefully I will get as much wear out of the black ones, but yeah, very, very excited to have these in my collection. Next up are two sale purchases. So these are the ones I got from Smythson, and one of them came from Smythson Direct. I think it's the card holder, and then the other one was a notebook that I got from Selfridges. I'm going to show you the card holder first. I wanted a new business card holder, and I saw this one and just thought it was so perfect. It comes in their signature packaging, which is just the beautiful blue box, and did come with a ribbon as well. And then on the inside is this absolutely adorable little leather card holder. So it's absolutely plain on the front. It does have a little Smythson badge or stamp on the back. And then you have a little pocket on the back as well. And then it just opens up with a button closure. And then on the inside, you just have a space for your cards. So it's very simple. You have two card slots there, as well as another baby one here, as well as kind of the main compartment for your business cards. I thought this was so cute. I'm really pleased with it. I've got to say that I don't think that the quality compares to something like, I don't know, Gucci card holder. I looked at them both side by side and you can see the quality difference. But at the same time, this is considerably cheaper and I didn't want anything, you know, crazy fancy and expensive for just a business card holder. So for the price, I thought this was really good. I'm not sure I would have been happy to pay full price, but I got it for half price, so I think it was £56. So for that price, I'm very, very happy with it. It looks to be pretty durable. I love the color. I think the pink is so pretty. It looks like it's going to fit quite a few business cards and I just think it's absolutely adorable. So very, very happy with my purchase. I will be putting this one to good use. And then as for the other little box from Smythson, this is my notebook. So this one came with the ribbon as well. And then on the inside is the little notebook. And I think this is actually the same shade of pink as my business card holder. So it's a matching set, which I love. And then on the front, it just has stamped "Bring On" in gold. So cute. They had a bunch of different phrases and sayings. I just like this one. I thought it was very cute, just inspirational, and I love it. So very happy with this. It's a very simple lined notebook and the pages are lined with gold. Super pretty. They have such amazing attention to detail. I do have one of these in yellow as well and I just love it to bits. Such beautiful classic pieces, ideal for gifts but also to gift yourself, as I obviously have done, and on sale they're really not too bad. I think this one was £27, so 40% off. It's a really good price and yeah, I just absolutely love these. And then next up, I have a double shoe purchase in this enormous box. So I got these, if I can tilt it the right way, from Luisa Via Roma. And I have not unboxed or seen these yet, so I'm very excited. So it comes with their packaging, with the ribbon. And then inside I have two boxes from Vita Rossi, my favourite brand of heels by far. So So these are actually the same style but in different colours. Now that I have a bit more shoe closet space, I have been letting myself loose on the shoes a little bit. Before, I really only had a set number of spaces of shoes. It was still obviously quite a big space, but it was kind of a one in, one out. So if I bought a pair of shoes, I had to get rid of a pair, whereas now I have a few new spaces. So I decided to buy a few pairs which I've had my eye on. The first one is here, so it has the dust bag. And then on the inside, they are the plexi pumps in the black patent leather. As you can see, I'm on a little black patent leather kick, but I think it's such a classic style and colorway and kind of leather material. They're just so carefree. I love black patent leather. You really can't beat it in terms of maintenance, and I love my plexi pumps so much. I do have another darker pair, but they're just a smidge too big at the moment, so I tend not to reach them very much. So I got these in the smaller size, and I'm very excited to have another dark pair that I can wear. I just love these shoes so much. They're very comfortable despite the way they look. I know everyone thinks that these look super uncomfortable, but the plastic actually molds to your feet. So when you first put them on, they might not be super comfy, but within about 10 minutes, the plastic really loosens up and they just are so, so comfortable. I've worn plexi pumps to so many weddings and they just last all day long. So I love these. So excited to have them in the black patent leather. I think they are so beautiful. And I just think these are such a classic, gorgeous shoe. And then as for the other pair of Gianvito Rossi heels, these are the same style as I mentioned, so these are also the plexi pumps, and I got these in a paler colour. We have the dust bag again, and tissue paper, and the heel, lots of extra tissue paper. These are in a kind of light cream beige, maybe like an almond colour, so very neutral and pretty. I do already have these in the white, and honestly I don't even want to show those on camera because they're so well used and loved. It's actually embarrassing. Again, I've worn those to a lot of weddings, especially outdoors, so they have definitely been well loved, and I made the mistake of getting them in white and not going for patent leather, which I absolutely should have done. So I've corrected that this time and I've gone for the paler colour in the patent leather, so hopefully even with the light shade it's going to be a lot more durable and less high maintenance. I need to try and clean my other ones because yeah, they're well loved, but very excited to have these. I think I'm probably going to save these ones for my absolute best now. But yeah, absolutely adore these shoes. As I mentioned with the black ones, I find them incredibly comfortable. They go with anything, especially in kind of paler colours. I can wear these all year round, so absolutely love these. I love the colour. I think it's so pretty, and very, very excited to have two new pairs of plexi pumps in my life. Now for the bag reveals. One of them you may have already seen, which is the Prada bucket bag, but I have here a Mulberry one. So I did mention in my sale video, I think it was, that I did buy 2 bags of Mulberry during the sale, and one was a black one which went back immediately because too heavy, too big, without a strap, just wasn't going to work. That was quite obvious, so that one got returned. And then I got the small zipped base water in the blush colour. I also got the rose water at a similar time, and I was able to compare the two directly. And I've got to say that the rose water absolutely won. I don't know whether I would have felt the same way if I hadn't seen the rose water, because the blush was very pretty, but it was just a little bit darker than what I wanted. And then I saw the rose water and I thought it was just such a pretty shade. And considering that the sale price wasn't too much of a discount, I think it was about £200 off, I thought I might as well just get what I want. So that is what is in here. So this isn't my first Mulberry purchase since the rebrand. Ooh. And here it is. So this is in the rose water colour. I believe it's the zipped base water style, and you do have a strap right here. And then on the back it's pretty simple, so there's not any pockets or anything like that. You have the buckle right here, and then it just zips open and there is a ton of tissue paper. So as you can see, the size is actually very generous. I was concerned that it was going to be too small, but I don't think that's going to be the case at all. It has this beautiful burgundy suede lining, and the weight isn't too bad either. That was definitely a concern, because an issue I've had with almost every Mulberry purchase I've ever had is that they are very, very heavy bags because they are all leather, but this one isn't too bad at all. You do have the little Mulberry stamp right there and a pocket, and you also have the care card guide as well. And then that's it. It's just a pretty simple space. So I think this is absolutely beautiful. It's a lovely size as well, not too big, not too small. I just think this is such a pretty bag. And then I have my Prada bag here as well. So this is the bucket bag. And this is in a very similar color. In fact, they're almost identical. So this is in the cameo color, I believe, and it has a black lining. So inside you also have a strap, and then you just have the divider in the middle. And then you also have a little luggage tag as well on the side. Super cute. I'm loving the new shape and design. I do already have a Prada double bag, also in the cameo, although it has a pink lining. I think it's such a beautiful bag, a great work choice. And I know lots of people have mixed opinions of Prada, but I generally had very good experiences with them, and I think this is such a fresh update on the design. I think it's absolutely beautiful. However, I can only keep one bag, and that is where you guys come in. I have been tizzing over this for the longest time. I cannot decide which one to go for, and so I want your guys' opinion. A lot of you guys are very familiar with my bag collection. You know what I have, you know what I like, and I just can't decide. And I wish I could. I've asked Dan, I've asked my mum, everyone comes up with different opinions. So these are the two bags in question. As you can see, they are not miles apart. They are very much kind of classic Amy bags. I like my neutrals. I like bags with a hint of pink about them, and these both fit into those categories, but I just can't decide. And obviously, you know, this isn't going to be a life or death decision. They're very similar bags, and I probably don't need either, but I love them both so much. Keeping both is not an option. I just cannot keep two bags at this point, so I need to decide which one to go for. Let me know your thoughts. So on the one hand, I have the Mulberry zipped Bayswater in the rose water color, and then on the other, I have the Prada bucket bag in the cameo color. Let me know what you think, what I should go for. In terms of price, this one was just under £1,000. I got them both from Mytheresa. So this one was £995. Unfortunately, this colour didn't go on sale, otherwise obviously I would have got it on sale. And then this one was £1,600, I believe. So there is quite a bit of a price difference. I don't know if I can say if there's a huge amount of quality difference. I'd say if I had to pick which one looked more expensive, the Prada would edge it. I think that's only slightly. I like them both a lot. I think they're both such beautiful looking bags, but yeah, I can't decide. So please let me know which one you think I should go for. Do you think I should keep the Mulberry, or do you think I should keep the Prada? Again, I can only pick one, so please let me know your thoughts below. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions for me, then leave them down below. And if you also have any thoughts on my bag dilemma, please share those below as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.